brand new day. Roll your shoulders soft and light. Everything is feeling bright. Step by step and breath by breath, fill your heart with happiness. Dance and stretch, smile and sing. Feel the joy that movement brings. Light and free from head to toe. Watch your happy spirit grow. Breathe in calm and breathe out cheer. Every moment's bright and clear. Move with kindness, laugh and play. Yoga lights your path today. Reach for clouds and touch the sun. Every stretch is full of fun. Gentle twists and peaceful flow, helping body bloom and grow. Lift your heart and lift your eyes. See the beauty in the skies. Every breath becomes a song, helping you move right along. Like a rainbow after rain, every smile shines once again.